right, here we go. No.
Intermediate algebra.
Alright. So we're going to start y'all here. Alright, here we go. Lily, we on you. You two are working those.
That's not what I'm on.
Baby, you didn't take test 2, did you?
Huh?
That was test 2, right?
That was test 2?
Yes. Yeah, that was on test 2.
You got me the right decision yesterday.
Alright. Ticket costs more than 170. Lily, here we go. This is 220, this is 170. More than that. So we got 170 minus 220 divided by 30, which is negative 50 divided by 30, which is negative 1.67. Yes?
Okay, so, quick question. So, I did 220 minus 170. Would that?
It's not going to change anything because you're not paying attention to the sign anyway, but don't do that.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So we're going to use the positive chart or the negative chart.
We're going to use the positive.
Positive chart, look up 1.67, what do you get? 0.9525, sounds great to me.
Alright, cool.
Less than 300. Here's 220, here's 300. Less than that goes this way, yes?
Yep.
So 300 minus 220 divided by 30. 70 divided by 30, which is 2.33. All right. Positive chart, negative chart. All right, look up 2.33. What do you get?
Wait, wouldn't it be 80 divided by 30?
300.
Yeah, that's 80.
Oh, my bad.
So then it's 2.6.
2.67.
Yep.
Look up 2.67. What do you get?
0.9962.
0.9962.
Yeah.
Perfect. Questions on that?
No.
All right.
Besides like the little subtraction thing, but you know, it's okay. It worked out. Still got the answer somehow.
Yeah. No, I mean, the sign doesn't really matter because the way I teach it, so it's not that big of a deal. I'm not going to mark it wrong anyway.
Cool.
All right, now let's go here. Let's go between 150 and 295. Between 150 and 295, let's find the top 5%. Go. Freak out, we're on you. Madison, this is you. Samantha, this is you. Camilla, this is you. This is you. All right. Yep, this is you. Where's our last step? What is it? Y equals 1. Why is it y equals 1? If you expand the top, this top piece is x squared minus 10x plus 25. X squared have the same degree. Horizontal asymptote becomes the number in front. Y equals 1. What up, Z-Dog?
What's up?
Back to the bottom, x minus 11, x plus 2, x minus 11, x plus 2. We get x equals 11, we get x equals negative 2. Those are your vertical asymptotes. All right, x-intercept. X-intercept occurs when the top is equal to 0. In this case, it's 5, 0. Y-intercept occurs when x is equal to 0. This is 25 over 22. Negative. You plug it in, x is 0. This is negative 5 squared is 25. 0, 0, negative 22. Your domain is anything that's not the vertical asymptote, which is negative infinity to negative 2. Union negative 2 to 11. Union 11 to infinity. Your stunned silence is very reassuring. Plug it in, x is 0. You plug in 0, negative 5 squared is 25. 0, 0, negative 22. So it's 25 over negative 22. All right. What class you in, baby? Right here in front. Black Panther, come on. What class you in?
Breakout.
Okay, you good? You always good, man. That dude like an all-you-can-eat dessert bar. Never gonna be a bad time for it. Okay, everything you need to. All right. We good? About ready to erase? Going once? Going twice? All right. Divide that. Find f of negative 2 using synthetic division. All right. What class you in, baby? Yeah. You're in college algebra? So you're doing this. You good? You got it? All right, you ready?
Will we do it?
Yeah, what's the answer?
If f of x equals 0, I got negative 4. I don't know if that's right.
F of x equals 0, you got 4?
Negative 4.
Negative 4.
Yeah.
No. Why would it be negative 4?
I could be the 2 or negative 4.
It is 2.
Oh, it's 2?
Yeah. F of x equals 0 means y is equal to 0. When's y 0? It's at 2. All right, when's it less than or equal to 0? When's it less than or equal to 0? Z-Dog.
From 2 to infinity.
Not quite. Close though. 2 to 4.
2 to 4.
With the bracket?
Bracket on the 2. Erase, 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 erase.
Why is it 2 to 4?
When's it less than 0? This is below 0, yes?
Yeah.
From 2 to 4 is below 0.
Oh, because it doesn't go,
Right.
infinity goes to 4. Yeah, I got it. Okay.
All right, when's it greater than 0? Negative infinity to 2. Union
To infinity.
4 to infinity. No. Yes, 4. 4 to infinity. This side's above. This side's above. This side's below.
Oh, those brackets.
for the,
Bracket on the 2, parentheses on the bottom. All right? Un poquito.
Okay, quick question.
Go ahead.
So we're not looking at the y equals 2 here.
No. Y equals 2 is totally superfluous. It's up there and it screws you up because you look at it and it doesn't. Y equals 2 could be y equals 25 and it wouldn't make any difference. All right?
That's the asymptote, right?
It's a horizontal asymptote, yes.
Okay.
All right? Y equals 2 serves no purpose in that problem at all. All right?
Where did you get 4 then?
Say it again.
Where did you get 4 then?
We're looking for it being above the axis, or above the axis, yes? This part, which is x equals 4, this part is above the axis, yes? So that's 4 to infinity. All right? Questions, comments, concerns?
at least you start with negative infinity too.
We read it from left to right, yes?
Right.
So from left to right, this part's above the axis until it gets to 2. And then it goes below the axis. So it's from negative infinity to 2. And then it picks up at 4 and it's above the axis on that side as well. Yes.
For Greek, those are 2 separate problems, correct?
Yes. A and B.
Can we synthetic division for both?
So this one you can do synthetic division, or you can do it long division. I would do synthetic division because I think it's easier. This one you can do it however however you use synthetic division for that. All right, college algebra, we good? I'm gonna leave that up, let you look at it. We're gonna go here. Y equals 3x minus 12, 5x plus 6. Find the horizontal asymptote. The vertical asymptote, the x-intercept, the y-intercept, and the domain. Intermediate algebra, we are on you. All right, Faith, you got it?
I think so.
What did you get?
Y over z to the 8th and x to the 16th.
I love the x to the 16th. I love the z to the 8th on bottom. I don't like the y because anything raised to the 0 power is automatically 1. All right? Anything raised to the 0 power is automatically 1. Now, ladies, I know y'all are doing test 2. This is what we ended with yesterday after the test was over. All right, so it's not out of sight, out of mind.
What is that? I never picked that up.
That's domain and range.
But this is what we did on Monday, though.
What, baby?
It was like, okay,
Well, yeah, no, that's on the test too. What we did on Monday's on the test too, but so is that.
is that like those from the video? That's like so crazy.
That was the first day we did it. First couple days, actually. I don't know. I thought you were there, though. And I thought you understood it at the moment.
I did everything in class. I understood what we were doing. I don't know what that is.
All right, I'm coming down there. You're next on line. All right, -3 to the 3rd. What we get?
27.
J. Cool, what you got? That's what I'm talking about, J. Cool. How about here?
1 over 16 x squared.
16. The 16 doesn't move. What's your name again? Frank? 16 doesn't move, Frank, because only the negative exponents move. So if this is 4xy to the -2, then the 4 becomes to the -2, and then that would move to the bottom. But in order to move the number, you gotta have a negative exponent up top. Not the case with exponents at all. All right? You good? We're racing. All right, let's have some fun. Let us factor 16x squared minus 25y squared, 8x cubed plus 125, 9x squared plus 100. Factor all of those. Brooke, you're over here.
I'm not that one. On both of them?
Well, I've already done that one, but yeah, you could have tried it yourself.
Are we 11:05?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
That's you, baby.
I didn't know that. All right, thanks.
Brooke, did you get a sandwich?
I did not.
Let me see if this one left.
Okay.
I don't think I ordered it or not. About that. Oh, Jesus Christ, there's a shit ton of sandwiches. All y'all asked is to get a sandwich, so I ordered the first one.
get a sandwich.
I forgot to tell them my.
Grab one. Period. I'm not, don't go ahead. Just pop it.
Yeah.
That was my bad. That was my bad. Listen. Yeah, no, it's not bad. Yeah, that's a cookie Joe. Nico, you need one? All right.
I'm assuming you gave us the graph, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what, Mrs. Jordan, that's what said in the. So if I find the X, Y, so that would define H, A, and B, A.
No, they're all separate.
Give her up.
Yeah?
Let me know when you're done.
Get with,
With which one?
The left one. I mean the right one.
I did the right one.
That's still
You did the right one?
yeah, of course, yes.
Let me finish the first
Get over here next to Z-Dog. Z-Dog get you straightened out. Hey, Z-Dog, help my boy out. He had a meeting today.
Oh,
Alright.
he's in here.
Yeah, he wasn't here.
Okay, I got you.
Hey, are there no pickles?
No pickles.
I ain't lying. So there's one left over when I get done. I'm gonna go sit in my car and eat that bitch like a damn rat. Alright. Thomas, we ready? Here we go. Is this a function? When you look at this, how do you know if it's a function? We're looking at this number, this number, this number, this number. Do they repeat? If they don't repeat, yes, it's a function. All right? What's the domain? Three, 5, -2, 9. You're just writing down the x value.
Wait. So domain. Wait a minute. So what's the range?
The range would be the y values. 8,
Prior.
-12,
So how'd you do it?
4. I don't write 8 because they're already written at once.
You got one?
X,
Yep.
range Y.
Yep. And you can remember that.
No. It's two though.
You can remember that.
Yeah, you're right.
X comes before y.
Yo.
B comes before r. Is this a function?
So,
Is this a function?
Peter and I did this really cool.
Does it pass the vertical line test?
Basically, so we're down on a piece of paper. I did this on mine, that's like everywhere.
Okay, so the domain would be
We
6.
wrote, what do you
The
need?
domain would be -infinity to 6.
The x-intercept? Make top
Because it's a graph,
So,
it goes to the far left.
make that equal to 0.
This is -infinity. -infinity to 6. The range, 0 to infinity.
Oh, no.
Okay, so give us another, yeah,
So,
so give us like
when it
similar.
says top equal to
If I can get
0,
10 more, but 10 more like both,
to
or
make
do
it 3x minus 12 equals 0.
you see the top one again?
Yeah.
I want the top one is straight up.
Yeah, the
It's
top
a
is
negative
Let me know when you get
infinity
when
to
you do that.
infinity.
Okay, so let's do the graph again.
Yeah.
Wait, let me write that though.
Yeah, 4. That's what I
Right here.
got. And so, and the y-intercept, what you do is you make all x's equal 0. So that's top and bottom. And you did that. Yeah. -2. Now, the h, or the horizontal asymptote, the way the easiest way to do
All right,
it,
same questions.
the way you said it in class is it's the coefficient of the top and the bottom. Or, no, that's not. But that's like a harder way of saying it. It's the ratio of the top and bottom, right? So like,
Find out the negative four.
take the x's, so you got 3x, 5x. It's the ratio of that. So basically, it's 3 over 5. 3 over 5. So that's it.
That's the HA.
Did you not find the?
Find the domain for 12 over 8 minus 6.
Did I think I put?
Alright, I'll be back.
You just put horizontal.
Lily, Ella,
So you know how you
Brooke.
for
Yeah.
the x
No.
intercept? Bottom to find the VA. Yeah.
Are you coming tomorrow?
What time is that?
8:15?
AM? Okay.
AM.
Yeah.
Do you want to take it then, or do you want to go to the help section?
So for the domain, you just put, so you put,
If not, I'll just have to use the, yeah, I think that's what tells you.
so it's negative infinity.
Well, not infinity, but yeah.
The bird plus. And then union. You want, I can go down. You got an iPhone, right?
Alright, here we go.
Does that help? And if you just do that.
Alright, Lily, who else? Who else is in there? Ella, anybody else?
I think it's just us.
Okay. Alright, between 150 and 295. 150, 295. So we got 295 minus 220 divided by 30. 75 divided by 30. Which is 2.5.
You got it. Oh, yeah, I got that.
Hey, bro.
150
Look at my answers.
minus
We
220
use the calculator. We use Bro.
over 30. Negative 70 over 30. Negative 2.33.
Yep.
Find those two numbers on the chart, subtract them.
Yeah, I got .0037.
Whatever chart you're on.
Yeah, because I got for the 2.331, I got .9901.
Now, so look up 2.5. You get .9938. Look up 2.5 on the positive chart. Look up negative 2.33 on the negative chart.
Oh, why do you have to do the negative part?
Because it's in this area here. And you're going to subtract them. .0099. .9839.
So this time we'll worry about the sign.
Anytime between two numbers, you worry about the sign. All right.
It's at the bottom.
Top 5%.
Typically, it's the bottom. It's at the bottom.
This area is .05. This is 1.645.
They don't got it in there?
X minus
This is
220
good.
over 30
Honey mustard.
equals 1.645.
Where did we get 1.645?
Negative chart, look at that .05, you'll find a star in the middle, it takes you to the bottom of the page. Inside part of the chart.
Wait, why am I going to the star? It's like, look,
You're looking for .05 on the inside part. Nico, what's up, Ed? 9x squared plus 100.
so right here. Oh, shoot. And then there's these rows again.
All right, are we good?
Yeah.
All right, multiply by 30. Is that 49.35?
I got 49. No, I got 49.5. Cause I rounded the 1.64 to 1.
No, you don't get to do that shit.
Well, I didn't know.
No, you don't get to round. Don't ever round.
Don't round?
No. I think it's 49.3.
I'm so confident in that answer. Uh-huh.
49.35.
3.5, yeah. And then add 220. $269.235.
Well, frick, I got it. Got it wrong. Oh, crap.
Yay.
Woohoo.
Alright.
Wait, also, I thought it was negative.
Why would it be
Negative
negative? Negative would be bottom 5%.
It says on the chart that it's negative 1.645.
Yeah, but understand the way the chart works. Zero's in the middle.
Oh, gosh.
So if it's on the right hand side, it's gotta be a positive number. Alright. Questions, comments, concerns? I'm gonna leave that up.
I have a lot of concerns.
You're gonna find the top 4%, and then the bottom 1%. Try those two. Free calc, here we go. If I'm you, this is long division. I am not doing long division. I am turning this into -7, and I'm going -7, 1, 8, 12, -5. -7, 1, -7, 5, -35, -40. So that becomes x squared plus x plus 5 minus 40 over x plus 7. What's that? Yeah. Anybody else? Sam, we good, baby?
Okay, I thought that was the one, but no, that was the
The whole, just the 40 is over the x plus 7. Just the 40 is over x plus 7. Guys, keep it down, please. So, if I say 8 goes into 253, you do 3, 24, 1, 13, 1, the 5. When you put the 5 8s, you don't put the 8 under 31, because 31 was the whole part. This is the whole part. The fraction's what's left over.
So it's x squared plus x plus 5 minus 40 over x plus 7.
Yes, and the x plus 7 is only under the 40, not the whole thing.
Thank you.
We good?
Yes,
F of -2 uses synthetic division. -2, 1, 0, 2, 3, -7, 1, multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, 11. Madison, do you know how to do synthetic division like that or no? It's okay to say no, man.
Why did you do it like that?
Huh?
I did not do it like that.
You have to do it that way. You don't have a
I
choice.
just kind of plugged it in.
That's not an option. Love you. So Madison, if the problem says find using synthetic division, then you got to use synthetic division. If you get the answer right but you don't do it, I'm gonna mark it not wrong, but I'm gonna take out points. All right. Now there's a jerk move to mark the whole thing wrong.
Where did the...
We put a 0 because it's a placeholder for the x cubed. You got to notice that the x cubed is missing. That happens on the test, guaranteed. 100% for sure. Sam, you good? You good, baby?
The first one, why did you make it -7 instead of the positive 7?
It's the 0. It's what makes it 0. So if it's x plus 5, it's -5. If it's x minus 9, it's positive 9. 2x plus 3 is -3 halves. All right? We good?
1140. 1140 is pretty good.
I'm assuming if you plugged it in, you got 11. It's 11. All right, you good? Write a polynomial with zeros, 0, -6, 5 minus 3i. All right, try that. College algebra, we're on you. What the heck? No, somebody unplugged it.
Oh, that's crazy.
Faith. Who unplugged it? I don't know. Faith, don't lie to me, Faith. Don't try to cover up. Cover up is worse than the crime, Faith.
I didn't see. I was eating my sandwich.
Is it good? I ain't gonna lie, I had one yesterday, it was really good. I ain't gonna lie, I had one the day before too.
And you're gonna have one today.
What's that?
And you're gonna have one today.
I mean, 11. Probably not.
I won't take any from y'all.
Like 11?
I only ordered 30. There's 28 people here.
Can I get a second one?
You sure you can? All right. What's wrong, Steve? No, you Although it's at 2:45. You still want to work? One left. Okay.
Is that a big one?
Clearly not, but look, if you're here too long and you ain't got one, it's just on you. Right, all
That's why I
right?
asked you.
Listen, if you had one sandwich and you would like 2, I think there's 10 left. You can have another one. If you've already had 2, don't be greedy. All right? Don't be greedy. But if you only have one and you want another one, please feel free to grab another one. All right? My ass ain't throwing nothing, because last one I threw hit the damn wall. All right. Listen, I never passed in basketball, just for the record. When I got it, that bitch was going up, just so we know. There was no passing. The black hole was over here. All right. Horizontal asymptote, here we go. What is it? Y equals 3 over 5. Y equals 3 over 5. Vertical asymptote, what is it? X equals -6 over 5. X-intercept, what is it? X equals 4. Now, let me stop. Why is the horizontal 3 fifths? These are the same. Pull them off the numbers in front. Vertical asymptote is -6 fifths. You're setting the bottom equal to 0. Divided by 5. X is -6 over 5. The x-intercept, yes.
How do you want us to write the x and y intercepts?
Either an ordered pair or x equals is fine.
Or like the squiggly on each side?
Yeah, it's fine.
Whatever, okay. But does it matter, does it change if there's 2? Okay.
I know what the implication is, and I'll be okay with that.
Okay.
You mean like parentheses, like a zero, or do you want to?
Yeah, ordered pair, parentheses 4 comma 0, yes.
Okay, just because Zane said like the squiggly one. and it's
So-
like the opposite is-
If the ordered pair was 2 0, 8 0, okay, and Zane wrote 2 8, I'd be okay with that. I know what he means.
Okay.
I'm not terribly concerned about that.
Alright, I was just making sure to say that you only stay here for the question.
Now, for the record, this okay, this okay, this okay, this totally not okay.
Yeah.
It has to be squiggles when we want to put them together.
Huh?
It has to be the squiggly.
Yeah, right. You can't put them together. Not like that. That's not good. Y-intercept, what did you get?
Why it was negative 2.
Y was negative 2. Domain, what did you get?
C negative infinity to negative 6 over 5. It's supposed to be negative 6 over 5.
I missed watching that.
All right. Yes.
I know you said earlier that we're not going to do range, but what would the range look like for that?
Negative infinity to 3/5, meaning 3/5 infinity.
Oh, I thought you said it was like super complicated.
No.
Oh, okay, so we might range it then?
Move on.
Is there a reason?
So, yes. Some of them are very easy. Some of them are much more difficult. You don't know which ones are which.
What is the difference?
You don't know which ones are which.
Yeah, but like, how does that, how do you know?
You work about 20,000 of them.
Oh,
With experience comes knowledge, and you don't have the experience yet. I don't think you can work 20,000 between now and the next test day. So, we're going to see that you're not going to have the experience. When you start getting x squared and those things on top and bottom, those graphs start doing all kinds of funky stuff. You get problems in the middle, you get squiggly things. To know what it looks like, you have to plug in points and try to test it and figure it out. That becomes a much larger process. So most students don't have the functional skill set to determine between one that's relatively easy to get versus one that's more complicated to get. Look at the two and go, well, I think I can do this well. I don't want you to be in a position where you're trying to judge, do I think I can do it or not?
okay.
Okay? If I ask you, it's because I think you'll be able to do it.
Yeah, okay.
Have to make a decision on your own.
Alright.
All right? And so, that's why I don't do it that way. It's just hard. And then if it's a problem in the middle, you gotta figure out that bottom point. That becomes a royal pain in the ass. Like, there's a lot to it that's more than just what it might seem. All right? So in order to avoid that conversation, you just don't do it. All right? Not really. We can calc. Because it involves taking derivatives and finding all the max and ends.
Yeah.
That's a much bigger process. All right? All right, so, challenge question. You're here, you're trying to get better. Let's challenge you just a little bit. Same questions. Horizontal asymptote, vertical asymptote. X-intercept, Y-intercept, domain. Pre-calc. Pre-calc, if you want to challenge yourself a little bit, you can try that problem. That's on your test. All right? So, if you wanted to have an extra problem and you're just sitting there doing nothing, that would be one thing you can do. All right, intermediate. J. Cool, you ready? Nico, are you ready? All right, what's the first one? What's the second one? 2x plus 5. Take off the 2x, we take off the 5, we get 2x plus 5. Then we got 4x squared minus 10x plus 25. You got to multiply these two together. Get the middle term, change the sign. All right? Faith, you good?
Yes. I do it differently. Like I do that and.
I used to do the M thing, and then people got confused by that, and I was like, fuck, I don't know. I don't think there's a good way to see this damn shit. Okay. Last one. Last one is prime. It is prime because there is no such thing as the sum of two squares like this. This you just have to write as prime. All right? Questions, comments, concerns?
I was trying to do it by memory.
Because I know that everything in the form a squared plus b squared, all of those are prime. Every last one of them. If it's a cube, you can do it. Squares, you cannot. If it's a square, it's got to be a minus sign in the middle.
The X's, just one.
All right, you good?
Oh, you guys are the
Minus, could we solve it?
If this is a minus, 3x plus 10, 3x minus 10.
What you want to do? That? You want to distribute that? That bottom?
All right.
You want to distribute it?
You good?
Make it like two brackets, you know. Take the -6. What two numbers multiply to -6? But
Solve.
equal
X squared minus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0.
It'd be -1 and 6.
X squared equals 9x plus
-1 and 6.
52.
It's -6 and 1.
All right, ladies, we on you.
Oh yeah. I don't know why I said.
Minus 2x. So 2x minus.
Is it a function? Yes, it is, right? Matches the vertical line test. What's the domain?
-4.
-4 to infinity. Now, what I need you to understand, because this is on the test, and people get confused. This is -4 to infinity because of the graph. You cannot do that shit over here. This, you gotta write down the numbers on. Does that make sense? If I give you a list, you give me back a list. If I give you a graph, you give me back an interval. Alright? What's the range? Negative infinity because it's going down. Negative infinity to 0.
You have to factor in.
So what is that? So it's -infinity.
Negative infinity up to 0. That's the y value.
So it goes backwards?
Smallest to largest.
Makes a lot. That makes a lot.
Alright. What's that from -4?
That's my question. I don't know.
30.
Oh, I got 30. I swear to God, I got 30. I just thought I did it wrong. I got right here. I got zoom in.
Alright, you're good.
Hey, I thought I did it wrong. You move so much closer. I know which one is so much closer. It looked like it's like this. It looked like it's like this.
I just see them on the bottom, I clicked on the list.
Alright.
I have a question about the bracket though, with the domain range. Why is it like square bracket like that? Right there?
Infinity is always going to parentheses. The number on a graph almost always gets a bracket.
Okay.
I say almost always. Next semester that shit's going to change, but right now, we're riding on that. Okay? Just don't be there next semester. You're like, well, Dryer said. No, Dryer didn't say that shit. Dryer said it last semester. This one, what'd you get?
Yeah, I ain't do that. I stopped at 30.
Okay, so
You got a lot of hair. I didn't see that many. You got a whole lot of hair. I didn't see that.
oh yeah,
You got little hair on
16 plus 12 plus 2. That's this one. I wanted to show you how you do it.
Oh, yeah. I got it.
Okay. This one, you you set the bottom equal to 0, x minus 8 equals 0. Add 8, x is 8. Take the infinity to 8, union 8 to infinity.
No.
You're setting the bottom equal to 0, then you're excluding that number.
3.
I'll get out of the way because that camera has about 40 pounds too.
Oh, you good.
The man just brought up a YouTube video.
Here.
This is live streaming. That camera is high definition. It has like 60 pounds.
Not high def.
Not right, I watched your YouTube video, you actually look pretty slim in it.
You blind.
I'm telling you.
Those are wrong.
The last piece is the problem.
Alright. Yeah. Alright.
What?
You good?
Yeah, because if
You
it
good?
squares
Now, let's redo the bottom and then look at some of those systems.
No. He said if the exponent on the bottom is greater than 0. It is greater than 0.
VA is reaching the bottom. You're setting bottom equal to 0.
Oh, when you, yeah, when you back it. Yeah, you can. Thank you.
You cannot use it.
Yeah,
8 is the thing you cannot use.
because I kept it as 2x.
Everything under it.
Yeah, I see what you did.
Of
You
course.
looked at it and you were like, oh, that's not easy. Yeah, I see what you did.
The union is a gap between the first set and the second set.
You got -6 and +1.
No, because the -6, yes, it is, because when you do, yeah. This is going to be the reason I failed the test, is because Mark. Yeah. It's 6 and -1. The exercise. I wrote it wrong.
Alright, you're solving by substitution for this.
The one, is it 1/6?
Alright.
Can we go over it?
Five more minutes.
Yeah.
So I released the last three sandwiches to anybody that wants it.
So when you do all of
Yeah. But then you can solve it, so we don't like or do your one.
Alright, here we go. I broke down the whole list, the whole problem. Mean is 220, standard deviation was 30. We're doing the top 4%. Bottom. Alright, we'll do the bottom 1% first, because that's an easy one. This is negative 2.33, yes? Okay. Go to your chart.
negative.
Look for .0100. You won't find .0100. You're going to find .0099. You'll find .0102. This is the number you want. That's the closest one. When you find it, it's negative 2.3. 3. All right?
You wrote negative 4.
We're good?
Okay.
Now,
Yeah, it's 4.
x minus 220 over 30 equals negative 2.33. Now, Lily, I'm not making fun of you, baby. I don't want you to take it this way at all, okay? Much love. I'm using the negative now because we're talking about the bottom percent. See, z-scores on the left are negative numbers. Z-scores on the right are positive numbers. So it makes a difference whether I say top or bottom. It doesn't affect which graph you use. We're using that negative graph every time because it's a small area. But, you know, what I'm trying to
So
say.
wait, like, the median, would that technically be like 0 in the situation?
So, on a z-score, the mean is 0, yes. That middle number is 0. We're converting that to a scale number that's speed tickets.
I'm probably gonna do so bad on this test too.
Keep going, you'll figure it out. Keep showing up with these, you'll figure it out. Once you figure it out, it's not hard, but the first time, it's really hard.
I think I do understand, like, I understand the personality, but like, percentage.
Keep showing up to these. I'll be here tomorrow morning at 8:15. What kind of donut you want? Hurry up. What kind of donut you want?
Strawberries with sprinkles.
Alright, multiplying by 30. X minus 220 equals 69.9? Add 220? If we could just tone it down a little bit so people can hear me. Add 220. 150. 150.1?
Okay.
And that's the bottom 1%.
Because I keep plugging in
Good girl?
extra X.
Did you really have a sandwich?
Instead of making, what is
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, well, because I hate them so much, but then they're actually pretty good. Like, I've worked there for a year and hate them, but they're actually kind of good.
They're really good.
I know, I didn't
I
know.
mean, Popeyes was pushing them though, I ain't gonna lie.
I know, Popeyes is way better, really overrated. So
I just said that.
Popeyes was pushing, but sometimes Popeyes be getting a little bit crazy with the breading and the straight bread. The chicken is somewhere in there. It's like a nugget. Alright. That's this one, yep. Now, top 4%. Top. I cannot even. Top 4%. When you get 4%, you look up on the chart, I want to say it's 1 point.
That's just my favorite
I was
number,
thinking
right?
of 1.88, but I don't think 1.88 is right.
I got negative 2.65. Oh, no.
I got neither of those, so.
I'm not saying I'm right.
I'm most definitely right.
I feel like it's a situation where like everyone's saying that they got like 5.
You got 0.04.
2,000.
0.04.
Oh, shoot, no, I'm wrong.
I'll do that.
I put
1.75. What did I say it was?
0.8. Sorry, give me my credit. I said 0.8. You said 0.845.
No, I definitely didn't say 845. I know it's not that.
I don't know, you said 0.8. I was so close, but I added another 0.4. It's
1.75. Now we're on the positive chart. We're on the negative chart, but the positive value, we're going to write it down. And we're going to solve that.
1.8. I don't like these.
me either.
It makes me feel
Very good. So this looks like a German so y'all are pretty smart.
I don't understand.
It's so smart. I feel like I need them all these weeks. It really makes me feel good about failing this.
Yeah.
Alright, I think 30 times 1.75 is 52.5. We're going to add 220. 272.5. That's your answer. Alright, and we're going to leave y'all with that. Alright. Pre-calc. Y'all ready? X equals 0, X equals negative 6, X equals 5 minus 3i, X equals 5 plus 3i. Do we agree? Those are your 4 zeros, yes? So the 4 factors are X, X plus 6, X minus 5 plus 3i, X minus 5 minus 3i. Yep. Multiplying these two together. Multiplying these two together. X minus 5 squared minus 9i squared. Let me show that. Right? Because it's going to be this piece times this, X minus 5 squared. This piece times this, and then the middle terms will cancel out because it's essentially the difference of 2 squares. Does that make sense? Like a plus b, a minus b, a squared minus b squared. The difference is the a squared here is the binomial. Alright? So this part becomes x squared minus 10x plus 25, minus 9i squared becomes plus 9, which makes this piece x squared minus 10x plus 34. Do we agree?
Minus 10x? Square root of negative 5?
No, it's minus 10x.
Oh, wait, because it's the...
Plus 25 is just square root of negative 5. Alright. This part, if you multiply it out, well, we can just do this now. X plus 6 times that. Do I need to show this, or can I just give you the answer? Huh? Just give the answer. Is that okay, Camille? X cubed minus 4x cubed, or squared. Minus 26x plus 204, yes? Bill, is that not what you got? X times x squared is x cubed. X times 10x is 10x squared negative. 6 times x squared is 6x squared positive, so that's negative 4x squared. 6 times 10x is negative 60, positive 34, negative 26. 6 times 34, I believe, is 204. So the only thing we got left to do now is multiply that by x. And that gives us our final answer of x to the 4th minus 4x cubed minus 26x squared plus 204x. Alright. Y'all good? You good? You good, baby? Bill, you good? Madison and Patrick? What's your name, baby?
Yeah.
Good seeing you, Michael. That's my brother's name. I should be able to remember that, but no, not really. Any questions? Alright, I'm going to leave you guys with that. College algebra, we're on you. Pre-calc, if you want to stay and watch this one, this is a good one. Huh? That? Yeah. Yeah, we did it last time. Horizontal, vertical asymptotes we did last class. Okay, yeah, we did. So yes, pay attention to that. That's scary. Hope they were smart.
Yeah, there was a part of this.
Okay. All right.
What is this?
Horizontal asymptote, what'd you get?
4.
Y equals 4.
Y.
Y equals 4. This is 4x squared plus 4x plus 1, right? Vertical asymptote.
X equals
6
and
X minus 6, x plus 1. X equals 6 and negative 1. X-intercept, what'd you get? Negative 1/2. Sydney's like an answering machine right now. I'm putting her number on the damn syllabus. For any questions, call Sydney.
Don't do that.
For what? Vertical asymptote? Well, you gotta factor it. X minus 6, x plus 1. Did you use the quadratic formula?
No, not that one. X-intercept.
Setting this equal to 0. Right? Take the square root. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Alright. Y-intercept, what'd you get?
Y equals negative 1 over 6.
Negative 1/6. Domain, what do you got?
Negative infinity to negative 1. Union, negative 1/6. Union 6, positive infinity.
Yep.
Perfect. Steve, you got that? Good job. Good job.
Good job.
How's that sound? Oh, wait, you ain't got one. Yes, good. Talk about it. How did you get right?
So I guess we're learning this one next class.
You got this.
Oh, I mean like we're continuing.
Translation. I'm going to put that up as a quick problem to do. And then we're going to move on to the comprehension. Yes.
So first they got about 1/2 and then x equals negative 1/2 and 6
But if we did if we put it in like the squiggle, you want the negative 1 first, right?
Sure.
Yeah.
Alright. There's 3 sandwiches. If you want another one, it's yours. Say it again. Solve the quadratic equation. Solve the quadratic equation. You want another? Hey, give her one. Behind you. About that, I'd love to take her. Alright, intermediate, here we go.
Okay. X equals 5.
We're going to factor. Jay, cool. We're going to factor x minus 5. X minus 3 is equal to 0. I'm not sure we did this in our last class, but we're doing it Monday. Make Steve make those too. Alright, yeah, so I'll see you today. Hey.
She's still out working?
Yes, and I go there every day.
Still with the kids? Yes. I can't look, baby, I forgot when I even existed after graduating. I wrote past that every day. Everybody got some.
Bro, in the way I went to the netball game and they lost my game.
Girl, they got that new coach that's still ain't one. No, for real. This is a big team.
Alright, here we go. So yeah, Jay, cool. We're going to do this on Monday, so don't. We ain't got over yet. Setting each one equal to 0. Add 5, add 5. X equals 5. X equals 3. What happened? What are you trying to figure out?
What's our class called?
Intermediate algebra.
Oh, yeah,
So, you and Faith are in the same class. you started later than she did, so by the end, you end up together. So right now, she's about to chapter ahead of you.
Oh no, it's always been a chopper.
Oh my God.
Ever since
Alright.
ninth grade.
Let's start to this.
I'm serious.
3x minus 1, x minus 1.
Oh, wait. Yes. X equals 1, and then x equals 1 over 3.
Setting each one equal to 0, you get 1 1/3.
When you write the answer, can you write like 1/3 and then do the bracket?
1/3. Yes, sir. The 8 is absorbed by the 5 and the 3.
So you just broke it down?
Yes. Essentially, yes. I'm asking what times what gives me 15 and add to give me negative 8. Negative 5 and negative 3. Alright? Now here we're subtracting, it is equal to 0. Right?
Yes.
X minus 13, x plus 4. Same thing. What multiplies to give me 52 adds to give me negative 9. Negative 13, positive 4. Alright? Setting each of those equal to 0. Alright?
By setting it to 0, the opposite can go.
Yes. You want to be able to get where that piece is equal to 0, because if this is equal to 0, the whole thing is. If one piece is 0, the whole expression is 0. We want both of them to be 0. Whatever that takes. Alright, ladies, we're on y'all. Domain, what did you do? Negative 9, how do you write it? Negative infinity to negative 9?
Oh, really? A negative 9 to infinity?
Yes.
Hell yeah, I did that. I did that. I got it right here.
Alright. How about this one?
I don't know. That's how I did it.
What about this one?
Me neither.
Love you, Zillow. Love you, Zillow. There's no fraction. See? I put this over 1. It's 0. There's no fraction.
That's Franco. Okay, always email me, and then I like, yes, I would get a notification. I would never get the emails. It's starting to cloud. I would get the email saying, thank you for your advice. You're such an infant. I'm like, I did it online through Zoom. My colleague didn't do it. The man, he goes, yeah, I can't say my name wrong. Because I literally got on the mic and told him my name. And then in the end, he's like, okay, everybody, I'm going to say your names again. Y'all say here. Make sure everybody's still here. He's like, who's your name? I was like, I'm here. Are we done? I'm just saying you got that sauce in this. I'll be there. I'm good for it. Oh, I'm running a little soon. I got something. You can go eat. Bye,
Bye, man. Love you. Take care.
Hey, she's smoking. I love her mother. Her mother is so sweet. No nicotine for me.
Villanova is the best.
Marcus.
That's what
Sorry, Joe. Sorry. Bye, Joe.
Bye, girls, love y'all, take care.
We'll be here tomorrow morning.
We'll be here. Promise.
Alright, sounds good. That shit's early. So now here's the problem, the negative 11s don't have a factor. Right? Now you definitely get them. Yeah. First of all, no one's gonna believe I wrote that. That's way too pretty. Number one.
way too pretty, yeah.
Yeah, no, this is, if you factor this, it's x minus 11, x plus 2. So when you solve it, you get 11 and negative 2. So this is 11 and a negative 2, which changes that whole thing.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
I got you.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
So now, let's just do it together. So now, if these are our numbers and that's our number, then we got negative 4, we got negative 2, we got 11, right? Now that changes everything. Over here is like negative 8. So that's going to be a negative, negative, right?
So you're
So
just
that makes
close.
this
You see
negative,
that? The difference?
positive, negative, positive.
Oh my gosh, I forgot that.
It wasn't a number like
You're
that.
welcome, I reminded you of your
This is
brother.
positive,
I need to go get him.
right?
Is this still live streaming?
And- Yes, it is. Turn it off, please.
Oh, how do you turn it off?
Go to the front.
She's a crook.
Go to the front and hit stop streaming. Move the mouse. No, not there, on the computer.
Bye, friends.
So greater than 0 would be between negative 4 and negative 2.
Where's the mouse?
This
This is so fancy.